Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Xiaomi Smartband 9, and our last video, we have a demo of the call notifications as well as the quick reply options of the call notifications for the Xiaomi Smartband 9. And this time we are going to try another feature here, and that is the push notifications. That includes the SMS as well as the app notifications. So this smartwatch, okay, can receive notifications, SMS, that is text messages, as well as the app notifications. So we are going to have a demo of that. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo or the Xiaomi Smartband 9, if you have other requests, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Alright, so let's start and explore the push notification feature of the Xiaomi Smartband 9. I wonder whether there's a quick reply option or not. So let's see. Again, this is our first try to check on the app notifications. When we install the app, we already activated some of the features here. So as you can see here, receive notifications on your wearable device. We activated it. Okay, receive only when your phone is locked. Okay, we'll activate this one. Wake screen, yes. Notify only when worn. We disable that. Sync all notifications. Okay, or we can just pick here. So in our case, let's just activate it all. Okay, so that's it. I guess no more options. Apps, let's see. Nothing else. Sort app. What else? Okay, I think that's it. Then let's sync. Okay, so let's start. We have here our other smartphone. So let's send a message. Let's go first with the Instagram. Okay, before I forget, let's check here first. Maybe there are some settings. Pan display, running mode, notifications we have here. Notify only when worn off, wake on screen, notify when phone is locked. Auto detect. Okay, that's it. So it seems like there's no quick reply. Okay, so that is disappointing. Okay, so let's start with the Instagram. Let's open the app. Let's send a message. Let's say hello. Hello. Xiaomi. Okay, so let's send a message. The wake screen has been activated. As expected, there's a delay again for Instagram, and we have here. So Xiaodi, we do have the name, and we have the message, and you have an option here to dismiss. Is there a time? I don't see any time here, but we do have a logo and the name of the app. Again, hello, and let's add an emoji. Message sent. Okay, so there's no support for emoji as you can see here, but we still have the name, the message, and the logo here. 2 notifications. Okay, it is categorized based on the app. You have an option to clear it. Okay, that's very good. Next, let's try to call. Can we receive a call notifications? Let's see. And call. Okay, let's see if we can receive a call notification. We did not receive any call notifications here. Again. Okay, it's just delayed. But we receive a missed call here. You miss an audio call from Xiaomi, as you can see here. Okay, so it works with the Instagram. Next, the Telegram. Let's send a message. Hello, Xiaomi. Okay. Seems like our internet connection right now is very slow. Again, say hello. Or maybe there's no support for it. Okay, so there's a support for Telegram. Okay. I thought there's no support. So we have Instagram and we have the Telegram. Okay. So we also have here a logo and the name of the app. Let's have a call here. And let's end the call. Okay, canceled call. Let's see if we'll receive a call here. And we have a missed call notification. Okay. So next, let's go with the Viber account. The same. We'll send a message and let's see if it will work with Viber. Okay. Let's send a message. Hello, Xiaomi. Message sent. And we have it here. Okay. So there's a logo here for Telegram. Seems like our Viber we do have a generic logo. I'm not sure. Okay, let's send an emoticon. Let's see if it will work. No, so there's no support. Let's try to call. And we have a missed call here. Okay. So we have a logo, Viber. Next, WhatsApp application. Again, let's open the app. Let's send a message. Let's say hello. Message sent. And we have it here. Again, hello. And we have. Okay. So it works with the WhatsApp application also. And as you can see here, it can store a lot of messages. Not only 3 or 4. Okay, very good for the Xiaomi Smartband 9. Okay, let's try to call. Okay, so we have here a missed call. Okay, incoming voice call. Okay, it works. Then last one, let's have the messenger. So far, it works with almost all of the apps here. Let's see with the messenger. Say hello. Message sent. Again. Okay, so we receive a message. Just a few delays and we have it here. Michelle, hello. So it works. Okay, although it has a small screen, as you can see here, you can still read the message very clearly. The text is very sharp, as well as the graphics here, very good. Very bright screen, very clear text. Okay, so you have an option also to clear it all if you want. Okay, next, let's have a call. Calling, then end call. And we have here a missed call. Okay, so it works with our Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Last one, let's see with the SMS. Okay, so let's send a message here. Hello. Okay, let's see. And we have here. Okay, so it works with the text messages or SMS messages. So seems like everything works for the Xiaomi Smartband 9. It works with these popular applications. It also works with the SMS application. Very good for the Xiaomi Smartband 9. So for those of you who are curious to see whether it works with your favorite app, as you can see here, it works with these popular applications, and seems like there's also a big possibility that it also works with other applications, not just the popular ones. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below. Before we end, please take note that there's no support for emoticons or the emoji. So that's it for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 push notification demo. Bye!